First clown offer of the day. We got $3.25 for 3.2 miles at Buffalo Wild Wings. So let's go ahead and pull up and see what's going on with this order. The current temperature outside right now is 0 degrees. So at the best, we got a $1.25 tip on this order. 3.2 miles, at the most, a $1.25 tip. Is it worth it? Hell no. I'm gonna take it so somebody else don't gotta deal with it. And I'm gonna ask this customer, what the hell going on with this order? Why it ain't no tip? Why would you place this order, not go pick it up yourself, not put a good tip on that? See what they got to say. I get it. I understand that, you know, food is expensive. Doordash is upcharging these items for delivery. I get it. I understand. But here's the thing. This is not a necessity. This is a luxury service. Getting food delivered to your door is a privilege. This is what I'm trying to get you to understand. You don't need to have your Buffalo Wild Wings or your Chipotle or your McDonald's, whatever it is, delivered to your door. That's a luxury service. When you don't tip appropriately, you know what I'm saying? You are hurting the industry. Honestly, you're hurting the industry. If you really needed these items, you can go get them yourself. If you really needed these items, you can go absolutely get them yourself. And if you can't go get them yourself, well, then you probably don't need them. With that being said, I take it upon myself to go ahead and confront these people, because most people that do DoorDash, they can't say nothing to these people. I see a lot of people in my comment section like, man, you a hero, you a legend, thank you for doing this. Because most DoorDash drivers, if they do this, they gonna get deactivated. Now I might get deactivated for doing this, but guess what? I don't give a damn. I'm doing this for y'all. I'm doing this so the customers that watch this, they can see, damn, you know, them DoorDash drivers don't get paid nothing. This guy risking his account to make sure it's shown. You damn right. These miserable clowns need to be exposed. And if I gotta blow up my account and be the one to expose them, well, damn it, I guess I'm gonna be the one to do it then. They got me messed up. But let's go ahead and pick up this Buffalo Wild Wings and see what the hell going on. Oh, so you just thought you was gonna click on the video and you was just gonna see me confront a no-tip customer, huh? Man, I need you to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, man. I'm literally blowing up my DoorDash account, confronting these people for y'all. Come on, man. Stop playing with me.
Yes, sir.
Somebody want them some Buffalo Wild Wings, so we gonna go ahead and hook them up. For Ben? Yeah, no, yeah, I do this for my deliveries. Yeah, you ordered this Buffalo?
Yeah.
Is ain't no tip on her?
It was at this moment that he knew.
No, there's no tip.
You know, DoorDash drivers don't make no money with it. Ain't no tip on there.
Oh, I'll make sure to make some tip. Just!
I appreciate it. Yeah, because you know it only paid me $3 for this.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, we basically do no tip, no trip, and you see I got it in the hot bag for you.
Yeah.
It's 0 degrees out here, so look out for the next driver if you can for me.
Yeah, definitely will, man.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
Appreciate it, man.
No problem. You have a good one.
You have a good one too, man.